How you doing, meteorologist? This is Ashley Brown. So we're warming up nicely for now. Temperatures will make it to the 40s today, falling down to the 30s tonight. Cloudy skies and a little wind. Wind will pick up tonight in gusts at around 20 to 25 miles per hour after 9 p.m. And that's just the beginning. See, tomorrow will be a windy day for us, but it is my pick of the week. Here's why. 61 degrees, absolutely amazing. The peak wind gusts of 40 miles per hour happening in the afternoon hours, and that's a wind-driven warm-up. So we need that wind in order to get to 61 degrees for you tomorrow. 62 on Saturday, but without the wind. Saturday, we have more sunshine throughout the day. It's not until Saturday night into Sunday morning we see a few scattered showers, mainly sitting to the south. The 7-day planning forecast, you'll notice the warming trend, 60s for the weekend, 50s on Sunday with a chance of a spotty shower, and by Monday, those temperatures start to dip back down to the 40s, below the seasonal normal by Wednesday. Enjoy the weekend, enjoy the warming trend.